Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Aquarius. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Nine of Stars in reverse, Temperance in reverse, sorry guys, and Five of Stars. So Aquarius, in your situation, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship, guys. Maybe you are in a circumstance you need to make some important choices today, guys, and you are quite confused. You don't know what will be the right choice today, so some kind of confusion, doubts are there in your mind regarding the choices. So it may be something important in your work or something important in your relationship, guys. And however hard you are trying, guys, you are trying to come out of this difficult circumstance, and this decision is simply killing you because it is affecting someone you love, and you don't want to make that choice. You don't want to ruin this person's life or ruin this love you have with this person. So it is affecting the way things are in your life today, but you see the the inevitable hand of destiny in this circumstance. You are pushed to make this choice in your situation today, guys. Something you wish never happened, something you are simply wishing that will go away, but you need to make that choice today. A lot of worry, stress and anxiety you are facing in your situation today, guys. And you are sick. Maybe for some of you this stress is making you sick. You are literally sick. You have a lot of mental stress going on, frustrated, anxious. You don't know what will come out of this choice you are making today, guys. So it is something difficult for you to make because it involves a lot of sacrifice maybe on your part, and you cannot take it anymore, guys. You cannot do this anymore, and you are hurting yourself and you are hurting this other person. That is the reason for your frustration, anger and anxiety. So some kind of a difficult choice you are making today, guys, and you, however hard you are trying, you are unable to come out of this situation, Aquarius. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. So these cards are pointing out to some kind of a negative situation in your life today, Aquarius. But these are just cards. You need not worry. If you are making some important choice, make it based on the truth in your heart and you will never go wrong, guys, Aquarius. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it is Blessing of Zara. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation you are given a blessing or a guidance. So something is obstructing the way of fulfillment in your life, unfoldment, a divine unfoldment, and opportunities are coming towards you to shed the toxins, whatever was not working for you. It may be at the physical level, emotional, or psychological level. So sometimes you may understand it consciously, sometimes you may not, but you are in the process of detoxing right now, guys, giving up old thoughts, feelings, pains, and struggles, memories from the past flooding you, and you are just expelling all that negativity from your being, and you are moving towards full radiance, vitality. And maybe if you are unwell, if you are sick or suffering from some sickness, you are healing from that, guys, and you are back to good health, recovering to good health, and you are finding that radiance in your soul today, guys, and it is only a matter of time you reach back to your original glory today, guys. And also this card comes with a special guidance. Maybe you are pained because something is leaving you, something which you love is no longer there, but you need to understand that it may be a person or a circumstance. You are seeing inevitable changes to it because it may not support you anymore, guys, and it is not something that is good for you. Something much more beautiful is waiting for you, loving and beautiful. So you just need to rise up and move forward towards that and not brood over the past. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And that time of healing or detox or shining with that previous glory or brilliance is imminent, and you need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who choose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have hope. So in our situation, guys, often we see or we hear struggles or troubles in our life, and we feel hopeless and heavy at heart. We don't know what we'll be able to do, how to help people, how to do anything about it. So we just simply observe and we do nothing. It is impossible for us to change the whole world, but we can start with some small acts of kindness or help in our situation, guys. So we can do something which we are really passionate about. Maybe a small thing will make a huge difference in someone's life. So when we dedicate our time, resources or finances to make a difference in that area, it is going to change the way things are for someone else. And when we work with like-minded people, we will help ourselves to realize the purpose of our life, and it will bring us hope and faith in future. So we can start with some small acts of help or kindness, and it will instill hope and a sense of purpose in that person's life to whom we are showing our compassion or kindness, and it will instill hope in their lives too. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.